Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 2.6, Problem 8. This is Section 2.6, Problem 8. It says add the fractions, and we have 31 over 117 plus 8 over 117. So the denominators are fairly big, but they're the same. So we can add the fractions and keep the same denominator, 117. And we combine the numerators. 31 plus 8 more would be 39. So our answer is 39 over 117. Now the question is, can we reduce this? So first see if 2 will divide into both evenly. And it won't because they're not even. Then check 3. Well, 39 I recognize. I know 39 is 3 times 13. 117 I'm really not sure. So the trick you want to use is add the digits of 117 together. 1 plus 1 plus 7, there's your 117. And that total would be 9. 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 7 more is 9. 3 divides into 9 evenly, so it will automatically also divide into the 117 evenly. I'm not sure how many times, but we'll figure it out. So on top, 3 goes into 39 13 times because 3 times 13 is 39. I can get that without doing the long division. The 117 is a little bit different though. So 117, how many times does 3 divide in? I know it'll go in evenly without a remainder, but I don't really know how many times until I try it. 3 goes into 1, it won't fit. 3 goes into 11, that'll fit. It'll fit into 11 3 times. 3 times 3 is 9. And then 11 minus 9 is 2. And now you bring down the next digit, put it next to the 2. So the 7 comes down next to the 2. 3 will go into 27 9 times. 3 times 9 is 27 exactly, and I have a remainder of 0. So the new denominator is 39. So now I recognize that from before. So I know that 13 will reduce into 13 once, and 13 will reduce into 39 3 times. So the final answer for this fairly big, complicated looking problem winds up being 1/3 after you reduce it.